Today I share with you how I prepare this spaghetti recipe. I don't even know what to call this recipe because this is mouth blowing. Everyone need to try this. Let's begin. So begin guys, I'm going to be needing these noodles. So that is noodles but it's spaghetti at the same time. So what I do now is to bring it out from this pack. Okay, so what we need next is this hot water. So what I added there is salt. So adding salt and oil. So what I do now is to transfer the noodles back inside the hot water like this. I just give that a little bit of stir. Then I'm going to cover that for 5 minutes so that the noodles and the water will get combined, like the noodles will get dissolved. So what I do next is to introduce to you the next ingredient, catfish guys. So as I said before, I don't know what to call this recipe, but like as I'm shooting this video showing you how I get this done, I do not know what I'm doing until I eat this recipe. This is just so mouth watering. I just get that the bone. So at this point the noodles have dissolved. At this point, look at that, it's so nice. So what you do next is to transfer these noodles back inside this filtered. Okay, so this is going to enable that not to cook again by adding cold water. You have to add in a lot of water so that this hotness is going to cool down. At the same time your noodles is going to come out one like this. You see that it was looking yummy. So what I do is to keep that aside. Next I'm going to be needing red oil. Then I'm going to be adding the dry fish and then fry that together. I will just fry the fish inside the oil about 3 to 4 minutes before I add in this pepper mix. On the pepper mix, I grind the hot pepper and onions, red pepper together. So after adding that, I'm going to stir this together. My people, you don't share this video yet because I'm not going to tell you anything. Not you have to try this for yourself. Like you go know wetin at the top for this recipe. Adding fish seasoning, the same time I adding salt to taste, then adding Maggi cube, that is not cube, I make use of 2. So after adding that, what I do now is to stir everything together. Let me tell you guys a quick story on this recipe and the reason why you have to try this for yourself. I was like, how can I make a noodles with different taste? So I sit and I think, so what to add and how to get this done. Then I enter kitchen and get this done. Next I'm going to be adding is coconut milk. My people, coconut milk, I make use of 2 coconut. This is the milk. I pour everything in, then keep on stirring. For you not to miss this recipe guys, I haven't seen this recipe in the street of online because this is just my first time trying this and it was everything. Like if you go to big restaurants, they have to serve you this because this is so mouth watering. So this is the coconut. It has boiled for 10 minutes now. Now I'm going to be adding these noodles inside the milk. I transfer everything inside the pot like this. So guys, all you have to do is to stir until the noodles and the milk get combined. This recipe is just so delicious. Like me eating this recipe, even my husband, he was like, like this thing finish, like this recipe finish, you want to eat more and more of this. This is just so delicious. One thing I have to do is not to allow the water to get dry because this milk is going to be milkon during the eating process. So this is it. Just let everything to simmer for 2 minutes. 2 minutes later, look at that, my people. Are we going to call this coconut noodles or are we going to call this native noodles? Let me know guys because this recipe is everything. This is so delicious. I serve this. Look at that milk I'm talking about. Oh my god, this sauce, like this sauce I'm pouring at this point, oh my god, you can easily lick this. Like you can easily be licking this on your own. This is just so nice guys. You are going to love this recipe if you follow this process. You are not going to try any other way to make your spaghetti if you follow this process to make delicious spaghetti for yourself. Look at me enjoying this. It's so nice. All you have to do is to share in my next one. Bye.